Hello boys and girls, today we're gonna do another FitBit face. So this is the one. We're gonna do something similar to this. I just found it online. So first of all, let's go inside the FitBit studio. You gotta find a name for this one. So we're gonna name it red and white. Let's say clean red and white. Or how should we call it? Mm, yeah, I think I'll leave it like this for now. You can change this afterwards. Let's say, for example, red, white, passion. Or let's say love and hate. I think this is more interesting. Love and hate. Alright, so let's activate these permissions. The first one is for activity measurements, so we need the calories and the steps, the heart rate, of course, and the internet for make it making it for the payment system. So in order to pay for the clock theme, you have to have internet. Alright, so we also have some other themes that we created, and we can get inspired from those, so no need to build everything from scratch. So let's say I'm chasing the light. Oh, this is not the right one. App gallery, where was it? I think it's gallery manager, but no. So I it's still in the FitBit studio, and chasing the light. Alright, so we can get inspired from here. Alright, so first of all, we need to put the granularity to seconds here instead of minutes. So it will update the interface every second. Then let's see. So the clock face looks like this. It doesn't have seconds actually, but we can change it however we want. So we can put seconds here also. Okay, let's copy this, put it over here, then import all the libraries. You can actually see how much it takes for this clock theme to be on the store from beginning to end, from not having anything to publish it on the store. Okay, let's see, have this one. Yeah, so most of the code is the same because you have the same functionality. I mean, you still have the date, the hours, the step counter, You don't have many choices, but you can work with the design. You can change the design, and that's the big difference between them. But the actual code is the same, almost the same. So, all right. Now let's go to the resources, index.gui, and copy this one. And then styles. Let's just copy everything because we can change it afterwards. All right. So we got this covered. Anything else? Let's see how it runs. No devices we need. Yeah, just open the simulator. Versus simulator. All right, let's give it a go. It should look the same as the chasing the light theme. Okay, so we have, yeah, we have missing resources because I forgot to put them. So we need this three resources and hit run again. All right, so we have this now. Background, yeah, we don't have any background. But I don't think we need a background for it because the background is black, so we don't need any background. All right, and let's see. Okay, so no more errors now. So first of all, we should separate the hour from the minute. Here we have, yeah, we have the clock label, which is not what we need. So we have to get the code from another theme. Yeah, so here we have hours and minutes and seconds. So we can put the seconds as well. Let's put the seconds as well. Or just the, I don't know, let's just put the minutes and the hours because we don't have the seconds here. Yeah, just make it like that instead of the clock label. And now we have here the minutes and hours. Hours already. Okay, so now, oh yeah, and inside the design here, we need to have the minutes and hours label instead of the clock label. All right, let's see now. They're not shown because we don't have them in styles. We need them in styles also. So we have here the hours label and minutes label. Styles instead of a clock label. Alright. So now it should work. Okay, so we have them. And now let's position them as in the photo here. Okay, so the hours are on the top, the minutes on the bottom. So in order to do that, we have the hours label here, and we're gonna do it like this. So it's like 10%, and the anchor is start. The Y is also 10%. Let's look again. So Actually, I think it's more to the to the center. So let's put it like 30%. Let's put it in white and the minutes in red. All right. The minutes will be, just put it here, 50%. It's almost not really 50%. Let's put it 30% or 40%. And the anchor to start. Right. Let's see how it goes now, how it looks like. Alright, so we have here, actually the font is not that, we need a font to be bold in both cases. So I'm gonna put this bold here and here. Okay, so I'll just move this hour label to the center part, more to the center, so downwards, and the minutes to the right. Yeah, and also make them a little bit bigger. Let's see. All right, so let's see here, 40%, and then y is not 100% but 80%. Let's see. So that's more like it. Much better now. We could even leave it like this, so we can just put it a little bit to the right. I mean, just organize it so all the texts are shown, all the labels are shown, and we could leave it like this because it looks pretty cool, I might say. So, but we have also to check on the Ionic device how it looks like. So now, for example, we have here, we have the labels, we have the date. We should put the AM and PM. Let's see if that works. Clock time. Okay, so we have the PM. It's perfect. And the AM. Okay. Looks good. So now let's make the minutes label a little smaller. We'll just put the date to the bottom. Yeah, we could put the date more to the bottom, but still we need the minutes to be smaller because the calories are just overlapping. Alright, so let's put here, for example, 130 as a font size, and let's put date, so the month label and day label. They are both inside a section, I think. Yeah, so let's put them to 90%, for example. 90%. So they should be aligned, all aligned. So the date should be aligned with the step counter. Let's see if we put here the height to be the same. We have here 90%. Let's see now. Okay, yeah, we have to leave it 40 here and put it like 80 here. So they are all aligned. Okay. So now the date is aligned with the step counter. Also, we should put the minutes label to the right a bit. So the minutes label we have here. Okay, the minutes. to the right, that means the X. So let's put it 50%. Anything else? And PM. We could also put the hour label to the right. See how it looks like. No, it looks good, but I think they are too far apart of each other. So we could put here, for example, the hour label like 50% and give it end anchor. It should look better. Alright, so we have the PM label. I think the space here is a little bit empty, too empty. This is very crowded on the left, but nothing here on the right. What else could I put here? We could put the heart rate here. We could put the heart rate, and the PM label we could put it more to the left. Yeah, so let's do it like that. Let's put the heart. Let's see, the heart rate is inside this section, and we're gonna put it like 60%, and Y it will be, if we put it over here, the Y should be like 10%. Let's just try it. 10% and 60%. Let's say 70%. Alright, so also the PM label, AM PM label. We have here the parameters, so let's say the Y is good, I think. The Y is like this. Okay, so we want it like here. So here we should put like 55% and 40. 40 and 55. 55 plus 10. Alright, let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is a little cut off the minutes label, I see. So we should make it smaller, a little bit smaller. Alright, so for the minutes label, let's put it 120. It is too big. That's what she said. Alright. I don't know what to say about this design. I mean, it's a little bit scrambled on the screen. I don't know if I like it that much. Of course, this is subjective, if you like it or not, but for example, I think I should put at least the heart rate aligned with the PM label. So here align with the PM label, and also, yeah, let's try that. So the AM PM, let's put it 50%, and the hour label, the heart rate. Okay, the heart rate, let's put it like 50, and let's put the heart in red. Heart rate, heart icon, red. Okay. So in red, the font size, I think it's fine, the font size. Should be good. Okay, so it looks better now, I think. They're aligned here. So if you have it like this, it would look like that. So it matches red with red, I think it's better. Okay, so this is how it will look like. We could put calories burned in a step counter centered with the minutes. We could do that because I think they're a little bit to the bottom, way far to the bottom. So let's try. Let's just try. So let's put the what we have, a calories icon. So let's put them here. So the calories are here. Let's put in like 50%. Okay, let's try 50. And the steps, let's try 70. Okay. Okay, so they look like this. We could put the text a little bit smaller. On the actual watch, on your wrist, that I mean, you see the watch is also, I mean, it will look much smaller than the display that you have here on the screen. So you can see here the the letters, the numbers very crispy, but when you have them actually on your wrist, they will be much smaller. So of course the hour and minutes, they will certainly be they will be big enough so you can see them clearly, but the step counter and the calories and the heart rate and the date, I think it's almost to the minimum here, as you can see them on your wrist. So it's almost to the edge of seeing. Alright, so also you have to pay attention. For example, here if you have, well, you won't have like 10,000 calories burned per day and more than 9,000 90,000 steps, yeah. So you won't have any problem with the label overlapping the minutes, but you just have to take things into consideration. So for example, yeah, the heart rate can be no problem, we can see it even with three letters, three numbers, so it's fine. So I think it's done actually. I think this is it, the clock face. So let's make some screenshots. Let's make one screenshot. So what was the name? The name was Love and Hate. So let's do another folder, Love and Hate. Okay, so we have here the first screenshot, and let's do another screenshot. 80. Right. Another one just for fun. And let's put it now to Ionic. Very important, guys. Just test it on the Ionic also, because the resolution is different, the screen resolution. So here on the Ionic you have the width of 350 and the height is 250. So on the on the Versa you have 300 300, the both of them, so it's square, it's a square, 300 by 300. Perfect. So it looks good on the Ionic as well, because you see we put here the percentages, so this helps a lot regardless of the screen height and resolution. Alright, so let's do some screenshots here. Yeah, I think we should have put a screenshot with the AM and PM and one without. So here we will not do the same mistake here. So we just change a bit the sensor, let's say 49, and then yeah, to show the PM label. Do another screenshot, save it. Now let's integrate the payment system. So in order to do that, I'm gonna log in here on KPay. This is these are my earnings, guys. So as you can see, I have like 40 faces. So 40 faces, and this is how much I make with them. So I made this amount in like 5 months, I think. Yeah, like 4 or 5 months I made this amount. But with volume, with a greater volume, if you have 200 themes, 500 themes, I think you can make a lot. I mean, like even $100 a day, I think you can make, because here you can see I made $24. Yeah, of course I have a lot, many days with $2, $1. uh, I think I only have one day with $1. Well, 2 days. Anyways, if you have large volumes, I'm sure that you can earn quite a bit from this as a side job. Alright, so let's go to products. Let's add new product. Upload a screenshot. Love and hate. Okay. Name of product. Love and hate. Description. I can show you what this, well, in the description part, let's just say clock in is made as a love and hate relationship between white and red colors. Enjoy time, heart rate, steps, calories burned, and even date. This clean and crisp clock theme. Alright, so this is the description that I've made on the spot. Price of the product. I found that $199 is a good choice. It's not too high and not too little. Not too low for some earnings. Alright, so now create product. And we should see it here. Love and hate. Download lib FitBit version. Okay, FitBit workspace. This is it. Show in folder. Extract all. Go to the project. And now we're gonna just copy and paste some files here. So first of all, you have inside the app KPay. Transferring. Very important now. Go inside KPay config and put here false, because we are not testing it. Alright, and now inside index we could also copy them from our previous project, but I mean actually every time I just copy the libraries from here, because you don't know if they change them or not, just to be sure. So it's not that hard to copy them again, just to be sure all things are working fine and dandy. So this one as well. Yeah, I think they're the same as with the previous clock thing that I made. Just put it here, and they look identical. So now, what else? The next folder. We have here the common. So inside common we have kpay, drag and drop. Next, companion. We don't have any companion folder, so just drag it whole. What else? Settings. We don't have the settings folder, so drag it the same way. kpay inside resources, index.ui. Just copy this one. Boom. And the other one, widgets. Side widgets. Copy and paste here. Alright, perfect. So now it should work. What else? We have to make a discount for our product. We have here its discounts, new discount, quantity 10%, discount 100%, no start date, promo code. Let's say how should we say, love and hate relationship. Okay, and just select from here love and hate. It should be here, but I don't see it. Dark and bright. I don't see it. Okay, love and hate. Alright, great discount. So now we should try it one more time. You have to connect the phone simulator now and just hit run. Right, so we should get a okay, this is it. Perfect. So now we have to go here to K as L. So K as K. Alright. We have to put here the code. So 85801. We have the discount code, promo code, your email address, and purchase successful. And we should get it unlocked. Yeah, purchase successful. That's it. So we have successfully tested the payment system. So now we just have to publish it. So we hit download, publish, love and hate directory. Perfect. Now go to FitBit gallery app manager. Now we have to create here another clock face. Let's say love and hate. Okay, love. This is it. Love and hate. Stats heavy because we have all the stats, almost all the stats. Yeah, we don't have the battery percentage and the level counter. Yeah, so other than that, I think that's it. And I think we can also put the distance walked on that day. Your email address, a description. Okay, so description, we're gonna take it from the actual description that we made here. Let's just search for it. Love and hate. Copy this description. Go to here. Yeah, so here you could put some tags. These are useful. Love, hate, relationship, clean, red, white. Yeah, also very important, put the price. This, just say this clock face is $1.99. Okay. What else? Big, bold, trendy, style, fashion. What else? Mm, I don't know what other words to put here. Let's just say best. All right. Save this. Upload the FBA. Red, white, passion, love and hate. All right. So this is not the actual name for it. One second, guys. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call. So as you can see here, the red and white passion. I want to see if the name is actually changed. Love and hate, but I think it gets the name from the gallery. So not red, white, passion. Yeah. So we should rename this one. Rename to love and hate. That's it. Okay. But the FBA should be fine. So no worries on that. Where were we? So here we uploaded the FBA. Let's make it like in the example 100 publish Clockface. After that we can upload the screenshots. You have here the screenshots, so this one, and yeah, you can see the resolution here. So let me, so the dimensions is 348 by 250. So you need the exact resolution for this. Okay, so use that, save, and now we can just publish, submit for review. Select here paid, okay, pay $1.99 once. Okay, use 100% discount code. I have to get the discount code again. Discount code, let's go here, discounts, love and how was it? Love and hate. Let's just get this one, and love and hate relationship. Alright. So actually guys, we started from this one, but we ended up with this. So well, at least the same colors almost. Yeah, so red and white. Alright, so we did that, I think, in half an hour or an hour. I have to check. Anyways guys, uh, that was it. Another clock face. I hope this was helpful for you guys. As you can see, and as I showed you, you can make quite a bit of money. I don't know if this is a lot for you or too much work for it, but as I said, with 40 clock themes, this is the amount that you get. So it's like let's say 100, not 1,000, it's like 50 100 per month, I think, like that. Yeah. Anyways guys, I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't. Also leave me a comment with suggestions and whatever you want to say regarding the video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Take care.